Okay, hey Shalay, I'm Maya. This handsome fellow over here is Mario.
Hey, Shalay.
Yeah, he is kind of special. Well, we just watched. He's been a big fan of you for a little while, and he introduced your videos to me, which I fell in love with this video, slow motion. I think you're like so wonderful. Your voice is beautiful for you to only be what 15, and he can't sing even though he is what 21. I can't sing even though I tried to sing.
I love you in slow motion.
You made me really fall in love with that song because I really never heard of her, and when she sung it, I had to look it up. But girl, keep up the good work. I just have one request. Can you sing? Well, two. I want to hear you sing "Hero" by Mariah Carey, and can
Another
you sing?
hero.
Can you sing "Blame It on Me" by Chris and Michelle? I would really, really appreciate it.
Blame it on me. I say it's my
I hope it sounds
fault.
better than that crap he's singing. But girl, you are like beautiful singer. You should get signed because you're just like wonderful. And you and your sister's little videos, y'all are so funny to me. Y'all keep up the good work. You got
Ugh.
you got something you want to say?
No, not put the camera on me. I had anything I want to
People might want to see the state of your shirt.
say.